National Sports University asida tongan ba kanglu furup ki mahiroi singna sana khotna bakaloinana mahai tamliba asi yengluragadi University asi mini India amani haiba fawbe yai haina Education Minister Thongnauzam Basanta Kumarna phongdokre National Sports University Imphal Manipur na senduna University asigi tarelak Suba Foundation Day ki Thouram ngasi Kuman Lampak Sports Complex ta Pangthokhre Thouramadu da sarupya kiba Minister Thongnauzam Basanta Kumarna phongdokhibada Bikraba State asida Lebak asigi sana khotnabagi lamda khwaidagi magun leiba University ama thamba ngamba si aikhoigi chawthok chaningai ni State asida University asi mai pakna chalaina ba honabada University asigi faculty amadi mahiroi singna lauriba thaurang sing asi singthaningai ni State asina hauzik fawda Olympian taramapan puthokre Olympian taramapan asigi manungda taramathoi di nupi sanaroi singni masina lamdam asigi nupi singi thauna lingjel adu mayek sengna takli amaromda per capita da yenglagadi leibaga asigi oina sanaroi khwaidigi puthokpa state asi Manipur ni haibiyai National Sports University Imphal da leibaga asigi tongan ba state amadi union territory kuntaretagi mahiroi singna sana khonabagi lamda mahi masing tamle Tabada apenba poi Thouramadu National Sports University Imphal ki Vice Chancellor Professor Usa S Nair su sarpyakhe Thouram Gumari Lainana Donachare Awardee Lesangtem Ibomcha Olympian Naire Namoirakpam Kunjarani Devi Olympian Katrimayum Thoiba Singh Olympian Ngangbam Sonia Devi Arjuna Awardee Mayanglangbam Bimoljit Singh Arjuna Awardee Naurem Rosibina Devi Galuinana English Singani Kulhumdoi Kunmari ki academic year ki oina University sigi outstanding sports person sing deshu Kudol Potpiduna Ikai Kumnaki
Sports plays in life and in the fate of even countries. Aduna, we have to always remember that as you young students, move on in life, as you carry on in your different careers as coaches or instructors or as sportsmen, that you have to be a team player. Team is a very important aspect of being successful in life. Discipline as a sports person or even as a normal person, you'll be successful. If you're not disciplined, it's very difficult.